Hey my people, welcome to Tea's First Up once again. Baby dust to you how. I have something here with me today that I would like to talk about. Yeah, a lot of people must have heard about this and seen it and even used it. But what did they say again? Keep trying. So I made a mistake. I was supposed to film the process. But I totally forgot, and I do not know how. I entirely forgot about doing the video, the process of getting these drinks. Okay, so this I'm holding in my hands. What is it for? It is for detoxification, for us to detoxify, for the ones that are trying to get pregnant. People do say, I have tried this 1 month and it didn't work for me, and they leave it. You keep trying, you go again the next month. When it comes to getting pregnant, you do not leave it for two chances. So you do not have to leave it to chances. All right, so let's get straight into the video. Let me tell you what is in here. This miracle drink, or is it called a miracle tea? Now, what is in here? All right, have you heard of clove? Of course, as a trying to conceive mother, you must have heard of clove. And cinnamon, have you heard of it? Yes. And there is one last thing. I'm going to show it on the screen because I do not, you might not know the name. And it's called Iwo in Delta, and I think Eru or something in Yoruba. I'm not so sure, or Igbo, but I'm going to show you. It's like a third ingredient that a lot of people already know about clove and cinnamon, and feels that clove and cinnamon is a regular thing I've used and it did not work for me. All right, so there is one answer that is in this drink that works hand in hand with this two miracle ingredients already in spices already in this place that I'm going to be showing you on the screen. Is African nutmeg. I think that is what we call it in English, African nutmeg. It is very good for detoxification, helps in ovulation, okay, helps in regulating your period. All right, so we all know cinnamon. I have just one here. We know cinnamon. Cinnamon stick. So this is cinnamon stick. Do you know what just happened? NEPA took lights. But we'll move. All right, and then clove. The clove, you know, we're going to show it on the screen as well. All right, and then your African nutmeg. All right, so what do? You soak them, the like for this 1 liter of water, 2 cinnamon stick is enough, and about 10 to 15 pieces of clove is enough, and then the African nutmeg, about 4 pieces is enough. Just mash it. You can mash it with your mortar or something, mash it a bit, and then you put it in like this 1 liter of water, for instance, and you soak it for like 2 days. Soak it for 2 to 3 days. All right, and you start taking on empty stomach. You do that after your period. Please do not do this on your period. Take it for 7 days immediately after your period. So let's say you stop seeing blood today, so tomorrow you start taking it. You take half glass cup in the morning, half glass cup in the night, so you can store it in the fridge, okay, and you can do more if it finishes. All right, so you take it for 7 days, first thing before taking any food, and last thing in the night before going to bed after you eat. All right, so do this and watch how your system will be so free. In fact, you said you will feel it in your body that your body will be lighter. You can do this for 2 months and the miracle will happen. Do this for 2-3 months and I tell you that miracle will happen. Baby dust to you all. This is very, very effective, very, 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 very extremely effective, and you should put it in your routine if you are a TTC. Right, so if you watched to this stage, it definitely means you're interested in such kind of videos, and of course you're trying for a baby. Okay, so do well to like, share, comment so that others get this information, and do not forget to click on the subscribe button. So you subscribe to this channel, give it a thumbs up, give it a thumbs up, and subscribe so that you can get more information. We are in this together, we are in this journey together, and we are definitely going to conquer. We are definitely going to conquer. Baby does to you, or baby does to you. This thing a miracle work out. It dey work. This thing it dey work. Make sure so you try and make sure you do it, and come back with your testimony.